Chapter number 4. Which alternatives do we have for the transport of your goods? Well, as you can see behind me, we have very different road transportation systems. We can think about sea containers or hook lift containers for a road transport, or we have very big items that must be discharged individually by a crane. We also have belt conveyors, screws, pushing shields that can be installed in such a trailer. So quite honestly, you have very different forms of transportation and discharging systems. In my point of view, it comes to two essential questions. What is your good? Particle size, density, dimensions, and quality and value of your good. Where do you want to transport your good to which destination, which is the frequency of this transport, and what means do you have at destination to discharge your transported good? Answering these two questions about the good and about the transportation that you choose, you come to the best solution of the discharging system that you need.